We're in Kylar Village, and this grandmother, she lost 6 family members and even two workers who were busy at her house. And wow, and this young girl, she and her mother, they were buried under the house, which collapsed during the earthquake. But her father was able to dive under the house and rescue them. And this is Nukin Okatala. And he helped us arrange here for Vifile. How many family here?
မိသားစုဘယ်နှလောက်ရှိလဲဒီရောဒီအပိုင်မှာ
မိသားစုတော့အိမ်ထောင်စုလားအိမ်ထောင်စုကတော့အများ160ကျော်
160ကျော်
Yes. So for 160 families here, we provided emergency food package and a small envelope with 20,000 kyat each, so people can buy what they need most urgently, like soap or medicine. And yeah, now we move on to the next village. It's heartbreaking to hear all these stories, but also there's very sad stories. This grandma, but happy end stories, like this young girl who was safe, and so